Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be cleaning this PC here. I bought this PC a while ago for $50 from the Facebook Marketplace, and I did make a video about it. I basically just tested it and upgraded it to a gaming PC, but now I'm going to do a clean. I'm going to do kind of like a deep clean. I'm going to remove all the components and rebuild the PC because it is dirty. The case is an NZXT case. It's actually one of my favorite cases by NZXT. Yeah, so right there, NZXT. It's the Phantom. It is pretty dusty. It's not horrible, but I just want to clean it up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this up. I'm gonna remove all the components. Quick specs for this build: it's got an i5 3570K, 16 gigs of memory, GTX 980 Ti, and the motherboard is a Z77 Extreme 4. Cool. So I'm gonna start taking all of these components out and then clean them separately. So let me show you what I'm going to use to clean this. I have here a paintbrush to get into, areas that I normally can't, and this will help me with that, and also quickly remove some dust. I also have this electric air duster. I'm going to be using this as well. I have paper towels. I'm going to replace the thermal paste on this too, so I have thermal paste, all that stuff. Yeah, so let me go ahead and start removing all these components out and cleaning them separately. Alright, so I finished removing all the components off of this case, and let me show you inside here real quick. Very, very dirty. You see that dust in there, and then the bottom here. Let's see the front. Anyways, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the I'm gonna clean the case first, and then I'll clean every other component separately until we get to the motherboard, which will be the last thing that I will be cleaning because I'll need to remove the cooler, replace the thermal paste, and yeah, that's gonna be probably the most difficult one, because I have to remove that cooler, and you know, hopefully it's not too hard. Alright, so the case is now cleaned. As you can see, it looks really good now. Glossy. I cleaned everything that I could get my hands on. Every corner I can get my fingers through. And yeah, it looks really good now. Really shiny and glossy. Nice and clean. And awesome. So now I'm going to clean the components. So the fans, SSD, hard drive. Oh, I forgot to clean this cage from the case. I'll clean that. And then the last thing will be the motherboard with the CPU cooler. I got to remove that cooler. So yeah, let's clean these components here. Alright, so I'm at that last part here for this cleanup, the motherboard. Now, this cooler, I've never used a cooler like this before. It actually has a hex screw that, you know, bolts it on, and I don't know how I'm gonna get to it. Maybe I can. Yeah, these heat sinks don't come off, so I think this came with like a little 90-degree tool to remove them. I don't have that tool, but I do have this little set here, and it comes with this little like flexible extension that I'm gonna try to see if it works with this. Hopefully I have the right bit. I should have a bit for this. Okay, so I have this bit here. It's not exactly correct for this, but I'm gonna try whatever I have. Hopefully it works. Okay, it is coming off. I don't know if I'm gonna reuse this cooler, honestly. I'm probably gonna replace it with a different one, just because it's a pain in the ass to put on and remove, and it just doesn't look that nice, honestly. So I probably will not install it when I rebuild this. I'm just gonna remove it and yeah, get another cooler on here. I'm not gonna throw this cooler away. I'm gonna keep it. It's a really cool looking cooler. It's just a little outdated now, but I know there's a lot of people out there that love these type of coolers. All right, so let's look at this board here. Yeah, so let me show you around the board here. There's a lot of dust everywhere, and it's pretty bad at the top here. On the sides too. I'm going to remove the heat sinks right here and get the dust underneath those if there's any. So yeah, let me go ahead and begin the cleaning of the motherboard and repasting. All right, so I'm done cleaning all the parts. So I'm about to rebuild the PC. So let me just show you around the components now that they're cleaned. The graphics card wasn't that dirty. I just used the compressed air, dusted it off, but it looks really good right there. The board looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. So here you go. I did put in an Intel cooler. I didn't want to put in the old one. It was gonna be a little difficult to put it on because I don't have the right tools to install that. I barely was able to remove it, but you know, overall it looks a lot cleaner, a lot better than before. Power supply was barely any dust. The DVD drive, you know, just a little bit of dust. Super easy to clean. Hard drive as well, simple to clean. It's just right there. SSD, simple to clean. A bunch of these hard drive holders for the case, cleaned. And the cage also cleaned for the holders, and of course you saw the case is clean. The front panels and the top panels are also clean. I didn't show that in the video, but yeah, and the fans are also clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild this PC, and we'll see how it looks after. Alright, so I'm finally done. This is the end result here. What do you guys think? Nice and clean or what?